Hi, boys and girls. So we're on the same day. This is just the next Canvas slide. And we're going to also talk today about editing. So what does it mean and how do you do it? If you look at our anchor chart again, but go to the other side, it says edit. And it has, think cups. That's the acronym CUPS. So how does that help us remember about editing? Well, look, if it's a C, you focus on making sure your capitalization is correct. And think of names, places, months, titles, the letter I will help too. So usage, U for usage, matching nouns and verbs correctly. P for punctuation, making sure you have periods in the right place, quotation marks, commas, question marks, exclamation points where they're appropriate. And the last for cups is S, is the spelling. Check all the words. Use the dictionary if you need to and make sure your spelling is correct, okay? So if you look on the right-hand side of the canvas, you'll see that I went ahead and checked my editing. And I used cups. I went through the different letters. My red pen that I used didn't show up too good when I took a picture. So I made sure that I put a red dot next to the places where I edited my own draft, okay, just so you could see. So what I did was I reread it again several times, making sure the capitals were good, nouns and verbs were in the right spots. The punctuation, I added a lot of exclamation points because I wanted the reader to know how excited I was, and of course the spelling. So you'll see, again, we talked about this earlier, the word first, F-I-R-S, the T was missing, so I fixed the T. The word every is E-V-E-R-Y. You float down through. I'm not going to reread it again to you now because we just read it a couple minutes ago. And so we have, it's not tech down there. It is T-E-A-C-H, teach. And science is S-E-I-E-N-C-E. I did add like 2 exclamation points as well. And things T-H-I-N-G-S. And I believe that's all I did for that for now. But I just wanted you to see what editing involved. I put revising and editing on the same day because, you know, we have our 4 different days of writing and it matched up really well. So now it's your turn. This is the last thing you're going to do today. You're going to check your editing. And when you reread it again and again, you could revise and edit at the same time. So again, just have fun, make sure it sounds right and it looks right. Okay, good luck, have fun.